Question 1. Hooke's law holds good up to. The correct answer is limit of proportionality. Question 2. The ratio of lateral strain to longitudinal strain is called. The correct answer is Poisson's ratio. Question 3. The theoretical range of Poisson's ratio for any material is. The correct answer is -1 to 0.5. Question 4. Poisson's ratio for cork is approximately. The correct answer is 0. Question 5. Poisson's ratio for rubber is approximately. The correct answer is 0.5. Question 6. The relationship between Young's modulus E modulus of rigidity G and Poisson's ratio mu is. The correct answer is E equals 2G 1 plus mu. Question 7. The relationship between Young's modulus E bulk modulus K and Poisson's ratio mu is. The correct answer is E equals 3K 1 to 2 mu. Question 8. Modulus of rigidity is defined as the ratio of. The correct answer is shear stress to shear strain. Question 9. The property of a material to absorb energy within the elastic limit is known as. The correct answer is resilience. Question 10. The total energy absorbed by a material up to the point of fracture is called. The correct answer is toughness. Question 11. The maximum strain energy that can be stored in a body is known as. The correct answer is proof resilience. Question 12. If a material has identical properties in all directions, it is said to be. The correct answer is isotropic. Question 13. The number of independent elastic constants for an isotropic material is. The correct answer is 2. Question 14. The number of independent elastic constants for an orthotropic material is. The correct answer is 9. Question 15. Thermal stress in a constrained bar is given by alpha equals coef of thermal expansion, T equals temp change. The correct answer is alpha T. Question 16. If a bar is free to expand when heated, the thermal stress developed is. The correct answer is 0. Question 17. A composite bar made of copper and steel is heated. The stress in copper will be. The correct answer is compressive. Question 18. Elongation of a prismatic bar of length L, area A, and weight density W under its own weight is. The correct answer is WL squared divided by 2E. Question 19. The elongation of a conical bar under its own weight is blank, that of a prismatic bar of same length. The correct answer is 1/3. Question 20. Stress on an oblique plane at angle theta to the normal cross-section of a bar under axial pull P is. The correct answer is P divided by A cos squared theta. Question 21. The maximum shear stress in a bar subjected to axial tension occurs at an angle of. The correct answer is 45 degrees. Question 22. Principal planes are planes where. The correct answer is shear stress is 0. Question 23. The sum of normal stresses on any two mutually perpendicular planes is. The correct answer is constant. Question 24. In Moore's circle, the radius represents. The correct answer is maximum shear stress. Question 25. The center of Moore's circle lies on. The correct answer is x-axis, sigma axis. Question 26. Shear force at any section is the algebraic sum of. The correct answer is vertical forces on either side. Question 27. The rate of change of bending moment is equal to. The correct answer is shear force. Question 28. The rate of change of shear force is equal to. The correct answer is loading intensity, load per unit length. Question 29. For a simply supported beam with a central point load W, the maximum bending moment is. The correct answer is WL divided by 4. Question 30. For a simply supported beam with uniformly distributed load W over entire span L, max BM is. The correct answer is WL squared divided by 8. Question 31. For a cantilever beam with a point load W at the free end, max BM is. The correct answer is WL. Question 32. For a cantilever beam with UDLW over entire length L, max BM is. The correct answer is WL squared divided by 2. Question 33. Point of contraflexure is the point where. The correct answer is bending moment changes sign. Question 34. In a beam of uniform strength, the bending stress developed is. The correct answer is constant. Question 35. The assumption made in the theory of simple bending is. The correct answer is all of the above. Question 36. The bending equation is. The correct answer is m divided by I equals sigma divided by y equals E divided by R. Question 37. Section modulus Z is given by. The correct answer is I divided by y underscore max. Question 38. The strength of a beam section depends primarily on its. The correct answer is section modulus. Question 39. For a rectangular section of width b and depth d, section modulus z is. The correct answer is bd squared divided by 6. Question 40. For a circular section of diameter d, section modulus z is. The correct answer is pi d cubed divided by 32. Question 41. For a given area, the section with the highest section modulus is. The correct answer is I section. Question 42. Shear stress distribution over a rectangular cross-section is. The correct answer is parabolic. Question 43. Maximum shear stress in a rectangular beam is blank, the average shear stress. The correct answer is 1.5 times. Question 44. Maximum shear stress in a circular beam is blank, the average shear stress. The correct answer is 1.33 times. Question 45. Shear stress distribution over an I section is such that max shear occurs at. The correct answer is the neutral axis web. Question 46. The torsion equation is. The correct answer is T divided by J equals tau divided by R equals G theta divided by L. Question 47. Polar moment of inertia J for a solid shaft of diameter d is. The correct answer is pi d to the power of 4 divided by 32. Question 48. Polar modulus Zp is given by. The correct answer is J divided by R. Question 49. Strength of a shaft is designed based on. The correct answer is maximum torque. Question 50. Two shafts A and B are of same material. Diameter of A is twice that of B. The torque transmitting capacity of A is. The correct answer is 8 times B. Question 51. Power transmitted by a shaft rotating at n rpm with torque T is. The correct answer is 2 pi nt divided by 60. Question 52. When a shaft is subjected to combined twisting moment T and bending moment M, the equivalent twisting moment A is. The correct answer is square root M squared plus T squared. Question 53. The equivalent bending moment Me under combined M and T is. The correct answer is 1/2 M plus square root M squared plus T squared. Question 54. Macaulay's method is used to determine. The correct answer is deflection and slope. Question 55. The slope at the free end of a cantilever of length L carrying point load W at free end is. The correct answer is WL squared divided by 2EI. Question 56. The deflection at the free end of a cantilever carrying point load W at free end is. The correct answer is WL cubed divided by 3EI. Question 57. The maximum deflection of a simply supported beam with a central point load W is. The correct answer is WL cubed divided by 48EI. Question 58. The maximum deflection of a simply supported beam with UDLW over entire span is. The correct answer is 5WL to the power of 4 divided by 384EI. Question 59. A column is a structural member designed primarily to take. The correct answer is compressive load. Question 60. Euler's formula is applicable for. The correct answer is long columns. Question 61. Euler's crippling load for a column with both ends hinged is. The correct answer is pi squared EI divided by L squared. Question 62. For a column with one end fixed and other free, the effective length La is. The correct answer is 2L. Question 63. For a column with both ends fixed, the effective length La is. The correct answer is L divided by 2. Question 64. Slenderness ratio is the ratio of. The correct answer is effective length to least radius of gyration. Question 65. Rankin's formula is applicable for. The correct answer is both short and long columns. Question 66. Radius of gyration K is given by. The correct answer is square root I divided by A. Question 67. A thin cylinder is one where thickness, T, to diameter, D, ratio is. The correct answer is less than 1 divided by 20. Question 68. Hoop stressed circumferential stress in a thin cylinder subjected to internal pressure P is. The correct answer is PD divided by 2T. Question 69. Longitudinal stress in a thin cylinder is. The correct answer is PD divided by 4T. Question 70. The maximum shear stress in a thin cylinder is. The correct answer is PD divided by 8T. Question 71. In a thick cylinder, the radial stress at the inner surface is. The correct answer is equal to internal pressure compressive. Question 72. Lane's equations are used for. The correct answer is thick cylinders. Question 73. The stiffness of a spring is defined as. The correct answer is load per unit deflection. Question 74. Springs in series. Equivalent stiffness K is. The correct answer is 1 divided by K equals 1 divided by K1 plus 1 divided by K2. Question 75. Springs in parallel. Equivalent stiffness K is. The correct answer is K equals K1 plus K2. Question 76. Leaf springs are subjected to. The correct answer is bending stress. Question 77. Close-coiled helical springs are subjected primarily to. The correct answer is torsion. Question 78. Open-coiled helical springs are subjected to. The correct answer is combined torsion and bending. Question 79. Castigliano's first theorem relates strain energy to. The correct answer is deflection, displacement. Question 80. The phenomenon of slow extension of materials having constant load over a long period of time is. The correct answer is creep. Question 81. Failure of a material under fluctuating or repeated loads is called. The correct answer is fatigue. Question 82. Endurance limit is the stress level below which. The correct answer is material will not fail under infinite cycles. Question 83. Factor of safety is the ratio of. The correct answer is ultimate stress to working stress. Question 84. The core kernel of a circular section is A. The correct answer is circle of diameter d divided by 4. Question 85. The core of a rectangular section is A. The correct answer is rhombus. Question 86. A beam fixed at both ends and carrying a UDL has max BM at. The correct answer is supports. Question 87. The shape of the shear force diagram for a cantilever carrying a UDL is. The correct answer is triangle. Question 88. The shape of the bending moment diagram for a cantilever carrying a UDL is. The correct answer is parabola. Question 89. If the length of a wire is halved, its axial stiffness A divided by L. The correct answer is doubles. Question 90. Strain energy stored in a body due to shear stress tau is. The correct answer is tau squared V divided by 2G. Question 91. Which theory of failure is most suitable for ductile materials? The correct answer is maximum shear stress theory, Guest and Tresca. Question 92. Which theory of failure is most suitable for brittle materials? The correct answer is maximum principal stress theory, Rankine. Question 93. Maximum distortion energy theory is also known as. The correct answer is von Mises, Henke theory. Question 94. Modulus of toughness is the area under the stress-strain curve up to. The correct answer is fracture point. Question 95. In a composite bar, the strain in both materials is. The correct answer is same, equal. Question 96. Temperature stress is a function of. The correct answer is modulus of elasticity and coef of thermal expansion. Question 97. A propped cantilever beam is statically. The correct answer is indeterminate. Question 98. Degree of static indeterminacy of a propped cantilever is. The correct answer is 1. Question 99. Degree of static indeterminacy of a fixed beam subjected to vertical loads only is. The correct answer is 2. Question 100. The shape of the cable under uniformly distributed load horizontal is. The correct answer is parabolic.